Welcome to Mohsin Power Hub. In this video, we'll explore the factors that influence solar panel selection, the advantages of different types, where they're most commonly installed, and why certain regions prefer one technology over another. Not all solar panels are created equal, and not every country, or even every industry, uses the same type of solar technology. Whether you're powering a small home in Pakistan, a corporate office in Europe, or a solar farm in the United States, the choice of solar panel can vary significantly depending on climate, cost, efficiency, and specific application. From rooftops in New Delhi to factories in California. When it comes to homes and small buildings, monocrystalline solar panels are the top choice for most residential users. But why are they so popular? Firstly, monocrystalline panels are known for their high efficiency, which means they generate more electricity using less space. This makes them ideal for rooftop installations, where available area is often limited. Secondly, they perform better in low-light conditions and have a longer lifespan compared to other types like polycrystalline or thin film panels. While the initial cost may be slightly higher, homeowners see this as a worthwhile long-term investment, thanks to the panel's durability, better energy output, and clean aesthetic design. From urban rooftops in Lahore to suburban homes in California, monocrystalline panels continue to lead the way in residential solar adoption, helping families save money while reducing their carbon footprint.
In the commercial sector, where energy demand is significantly higher than in homes, the choice of solar panel often balances performance, cost efficiency, and aesthetics. Both monocrystalline and polycrystalline panels are widely used in commercial setups like offices, shopping centers, hospitals, and schools. Monocrystalline panels are preferred when space is limited but high efficiency is needed, such as on rooftops of commercial buildings. Polycrystalline panels, on the other hand, are slightly less efficient but more affordable, making them a practical choice when larger roof or ground space is available. What truly matters in commercial installations is the return on investment, ROI. Businesses analyze panel type based on payback period, maintenance needs, and power output over time. Additionally, many commercial properties integrate net metering, battery storage, or even hybrid systems, allowing them to optimize consumption, cut down peak hour costs, and maintain operations during outages. From office complexes in Dubai to retail outlets in Europe, solar technology in the commercial sector is not just about going green. It's a strategic financial decision. When we move into the industrial sector, the scale and complexity of solar energy deployment increases dramatically. Here, ground-mounted systems and solar farms are common, and the emphasis is on high-capacity, cost-effective solutions. In many cases, polycrystalline panels or even thin-film panels are used due to their lower cost per watt and suitability for large surface areas. In heavy industries like manufacturing, textiles, mining, and food processing, energy consumption is continuous and intensive. Therefore, the key goals include reducing dependency on grid electricity, minimizing operational costs, and ensuring stable, uninterrupted power supply. Industries often install mega-scale solar power plants either on-site or in nearby open lands, and may combine them with diesel generators or battery storage for hybrid solutions. In advanced economies like the US and Germany, industries also leverage tracking systems and smart inverters to maximize energy output. Meanwhile, in countries like Pakistan and India, solar helps reduce load on unreliable grids and improves energy security for factories. Ultimately, solar in the industrial sector is less about aesthetics and more about scalability, cost efficiency, and operational reliability, making it a powerful tool for industries moving toward sustainable growth. Please like, share, and subscribe to Mohsin Power Hub for more informational and technical videos on solar energy, clean power, and smart energy solutions.